Okay, this is the rear passenger. Now, this is with the trim off, the extrusions off. You can see the damage. Okay, now this is the in-between. This is the bottom board. It's not completely rotted all the way through on the wheel well. But you can see this is where your extrusion's attached to. Okay, this is the driver side, which I've already prepped. I've replaced this wood here. But you can see, I took out the whole bottom. This is all still good wood. I took out all the rotted wood. Okay. And also you can see there's a line here that I cut the luan. It's just to give you a clean starting point. Okay. Okay, this is the repair piece. This is a piece of vinyl trim. I'll show you that in a second. This is that line I cut in the luan. Okay, this is going to go right in there. Here's the marker light there. You can see how I put this together. All this is glued and screwed. Okay, and I've transferred the locations of all of the wood pieces that I left in there, the studs, as well as like over here. This is that one piece where I also, this is just basically a solid surface behind this. Okay. So basically this is upside down, but you know, you would be looking at it like that inside there, right? Okay. So this is the bottom where your extrusions will go into. So I've also used flashing and all of that wood will be completely protected from underneath. You know, this is redwood here. It's just scrap wood, but it's going to be legit. Okay, I just have the repair piece clamped in, but you can see this right here is that line. Okay, this will brace that whole thing. No, I didn't go down because you have your extrusions down here. This you can go through on the outside through the back of the trim piece. Okay. You can also attach an angle iron, an angle bracket here and here. This holds the whole wall to this metal frame. Okay, so I know I've marked, this is all solid back here. I can put screws in anywhere. I have also the other stud marked here. And then across here is the horizontal stud. So, you know, I'm going to use glue and screws. Get it all into one piece. Okay, now this is with the flashing on there. So, you would use flashing sealant, caulking. And I need to get it all sealed basically puts a whole water protective coat around all your wood down here. Okay, this is that vinyl trim I was telling you about that I used for the bottom piece. Actually, see, I've already ripped off probably about this much of it. Right? I just matched it to whatever the width was of the old one. But this is vinyl, it'll never rot. So at least your extrusions will always be on there. That'll never create rot around there.